Everyone, welcome back into my channel. Hi, I'm Shantani and I share honest beauty and skincare content. Unbox with me. This is a highlighter inside the moisturizer. That means glow plus hydration in one product. Perfect for glass skin looks. It's give you glow and hydration at the same time. It's very natural and dewy. This is perfect for no makeup look. Next one, I ordered a professional color corrector. This is orange color corrector. Orange helps conceal dark circles and pigmentations. This will help create an even skin base. Texture looks creamy and smooth. This Gua Sha helps improve blood circulation, reduce puffing, and define jawline naturally. This Gua Sha shape is designed perfectly for face lifting and massaging. This is perfect for daily skincare routine. Next, I ordered a Swiss Beauty lip liner. Lip liner is very important for perfect lip shape. Liner defines lips and makes lipsticks long lasting. I really love this color. It's very pigmented and smooth. You can see this. নেক্সট যে প্রোডাক্টটা আমি তোমাদের দেখাবো সেটার জন্য আমি অনেক দিন ধরে ওয়েট করে আছি। ইটস ভেরি ইউজফুল, কালার ইজ ভেরি বিউটিফুল। দিস ইজ white mousse tint. This is multi-use, lips, cheeks and eyes. This shade looks very natural and pretty. See, the bottle also is cute. Texture is looks soft, so let's see. Next, I ordered very trendy in social media. This is a face mask. It's a high graded and improves skin textures. I am very excited to try this bio-collagen mask. Next, I ordered a beauty sponge set with the skincare headband and handband. Honestly, first impression is very good. I'll try these products and share real results. This product is very soft and comfortable when I touch all these products. I think it's perfect for makeup and skincare routine. Subscribe for honest review and real, and comment which product you want me try first.